30 superfoods you need for ultimate health. Discover the power of eggs, water, and more. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your organ health? "30 superfoods you need for ultimate health." Discover the power of eggs, water, and more. Party popper emoji. Get ready to supercharge your health with our amazing video on 30 superfoods. From the incredible brain-boosting properties of eggs to the refreshing and vital benefits of water, we're diving deep into how these everyday foods can transform your well-being. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. 1. Eggs. Egg emoji. Dive into the incredible world of eggs, the ultimate brain food. Packed with essential nutrients and high-quality protein, these powerhouses support cognitive function and keep you energized throughout the day. Get ready to whip up tasty dishes that fuel your body and mind. Let's crack into this nutritious adventure together. 2. Water. Droplet emoji. Hydration is the key to vitality. Join us in celebrating the refreshing benefits of water, nature's elixir for life. It keeps your body functioning optimally, aids digestion, and flushes out toxins. Discover tips on how to enhance your hydration game and feel vibrant every day. 3. Cabbage. Leafy green emoji. Get ready to meet cabbage, the unsung hero of detoxification. This leafy green is brimming with vitamins and minerals that support liver health and digestion. Packed with antioxidants, it helps keep your body in top shape. Join us as we explore delightful recipes that make cabbage a staple in your kitchen. 4. Berries. Strawberry emoji. Bursting with color and flavor, berries are nature's candy. These bite-sized beauties are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells and boost your brain power. Whether you toss them in a smoothie or enjoy them fresh, be prepared for a sweet and healthful treat that your taste buds will love. 5. Spinach. Seedling emoji. Feel strong and vibrant with spinach, the leafy green superhero. Rich in iron and vitamins, spinach supports your immune system and helps maintain healthy bones. Let's blend it into smoothies, sauté it in dishes, or enjoy it fresh in salads to unlock its full potential. 6. Salmon. Fish emoji. Dive into the ocean of health benefits with salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, this delicious fish supports heart health, improves brain function, and even boosts your mood. Join us in exploring appetizing salmon recipes that will make your meals both nutritious and delightful. 7. Nuts. Peanut emoji. Crunch into a handful of nuts and unleash a powerhouse of health. These little gems are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, promoting heart health and keeping you satiated throughout the day. Let's explore creative ways to incorporate nuts into your diet for a tasty and nutritious boost. 8. Quinoa. Cooked rice emoji. Say hello to quinoa, the ancient grain that's taking the health world by storm. This complete protein is perfect for energy and muscle recovery. With its nutty flavor and fluffy texture, quinoa is incredibly versatile. Let's find out how to make it the star of our meals. 9. Sweet potatoes. Potato emoji. Indulge in the delightful sweetness of sweet potatoes. Loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, they're great for immune support and provide a healthy dose of energy. Whether baked, mashed, or fries, sweet potatoes are not only nutritious but absolutely delicious. Let's get creative in the kitchen. 10. Greek yogurt. Bowl with spoon emoji. Creamy and delicious, Greek yogurt is your new best friend for gut health. Packed with probiotics, protein, and calcium, it keeps your digestive system happy and strong. Join us for tasty ideas to add Greek yogurt to your meals, from smoothies to parfaits that will make you smile. 11. Avocado. Avocado emoji. Meet your creamy delight, the avocado. Loaded with healthy fats and nutrients, avocados are fantastic for heart health and provide amazing skin benefits. Whether you're spreading it on toast or adding it to salads, let's explore how to elevate our meals with this luscious fruit. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli emoji. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that you won't want to miss. This green veggie is loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system and promote detoxification. Join us as we whip up colorful dishes that showcase broccoli's versatility and delicious crunch. 13. Lentils. Africa emoji. Embrace the goodness of lentils, the tiny legumes packed with protein and fiber. These hearty little wonders support heart health and stable blood sugar levels. Whether in soups, salads, or curries, let's discover delicious lentil recipes that will warm your soul and fuel your body. 14. Chia seeds. Seedling emoji. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are a superfood loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. These little seeds can help with hydration and keep you feeling full. Let's explore easy and exciting ways to incorporate chia seeds into your favorite dishes for a nutritional boost. 15. Beets. Red heart emoji. Get ready to experience the vibrant world of beets. These earthy roots are rich in nitrates, helping to improve blood flow and stamina. Whether roasted, juiced, or pickled, join us as we explore the delicious ways to add beets to our meals for a burst of color and health benefits. 16. Garlic. Garlic emoji. Say hello to garlic, the flavor powerhouse with incredible health benefits. Known for its immune-boosting properties, garlic adds bold taste to any dish while promoting heart health. Let's dive into some garlic-infused recipes that will elevate your cooking and boost your wellness. 17. Apples. Green apple emoji. Crunch into the delightful goodness of apples. This beloved fruit is high in fiber and vitamin C, making it perfect for heart health and digestion. Whether enjoyed fresh or in baked treats, let's discover the many delicious ways to incorporate apples into our diet, an everyday favorite. 18. Oranges. Tangerine emoji. Brighten your day with juicy oranges. These citrus wonders are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to boost your immune system. Whether you sip fresh orange juice or enjoy them as a snack, join us as we explore zesty recipes that celebrate this refreshing fruit. 19. Kale. Leafy green emoji. Discover kale, the nutrient-dense champion of greens. Packed with vitamins and minerals, kale promotes heart health and is a fantastic addition to any meal. Let's get creative with this leafy green as we explore delicious salads and smoothies that make healthy eating enjoyable. 20. Turmeric. Glowing star emoji. Spice up your health with turmeric, the golden root known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. This vibrant spice adds warmth and depth to dishes and supports overall wellness. Join us as we learn to incorporate turmeric into our cooking for powerful health benefits and delicious flavors. 21. Bell peppers. Rainbow emoji. Get colorful with bell peppers, the crunchy veggies that are a feast for your eyes and your health. Packed with vitamins A and C, these vibrant peppers support skin health and boost immunity. Let's explore fun and tasty ways to incorporate bell peppers into our favorite dishes. 22. Oats. Bowl with spoon emoji. Start your day right with hearty oats. These fiber-rich grains keep you full and satisfied while promoting heart health. From overnight oats to warm bowls topped with fruit, let's dive into tasty oat-based recipes that will make breakfast a delicious highlight of your day. 23. Brown rice. Cooked rice emoji. Embrace the wholesome goodness of brown rice, a nutritious whole grain that fuels your body with energy. Packed with vitamins and fiber, it's a fantastic alternative to white rice. Join us in exploring flavorful dishes that highlight brown rice's versatility and hearty texture. 24. Pumpkin seeds. Jack-o'-lantern emoji. Pump up your snacks with pumpkin seeds, the crunchy treats that are rich in magnesium and zinc. These little seeds are excellent for heart health and immunity. Let's get creative by incorporating pumpkin seeds into our salads, trail mixes, and more for a nutritious crunch. 25. Coconut oil. Coconut emoji. Discover the magic of coconut oil, a cooking fat that brings rich flavor and health benefits to your meals. Packed with medium-chain triglycerides that boost metabolism, it's time to elevate your culinary game. From baking to sautéing, let's explore the wonderful uses of coconut oil. 26. Pomegranate. Fork and knife with plate emoji. Open up a pomegranate and unveil a treasure trove of health benefits. Bursting with antioxidants, this ruby red fruit supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Join us as we explore ways to enjoy pomegranate in salads, smoothies, and even as a sweet snack. 27. Dark chocolate. Chocolate bar emoji. Indulge your senses with dark chocolate, the delicious treat that's good for your heart. Packed with antioxidants, it's a sweet way to boost your mood and health. Let's explore the best ways to incorporate dark chocolate into our desserts and snacks, because who says healthy can't be tasty? 28. Honey. Honey pot emoji. Sweeten your day with honey, nature's golden nectar. With its soothing properties and antioxidants, honey not only delights your taste buds but also supports your immune system. Join us in discovering creative ways to use honey in recipes and drinks that bring warmth and flavor. 29. Green tea. Tea emoji. Sip your way to wellness with green tea, a soothing beverage that's bursting with antioxidants. Known for boosting metabolism and promoting relaxation, green tea is a delightful addition to your daily routine. Let's explore different brews and blends that highlight its unique flavors. 30. Cauliflower. Blossom emoji. Embrace the versatility of cauliflower, the low-carb wonder that steals the show. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this veggie can be transformed into rice, mash, or even pizza crust. Join us as we unleash our culinary creativity with cauliflower, making healthy eating both fun and delicious. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.